All right, so when you log into Domo, your first chat report, you're going to be getting number of chats done and average handle time. You're going to click on advocate performance right here. You're going to scroll down to this advocate performance card and open it. And then you're going to want to go to the time frame. Usually for scheduling purpose, I usually just do the last 7 days just so I can see, most recent improvements. And you're going to click the incoming chat button, of course, because you just want your chat data. And so here's where you can see overall how many contacts we're taking as a team, our average handle time as a team, and our CSAT. Keep in mind that this CSAT is just CSAT in general. It's not CSAT minus account sharing, which is what we usually want to pull for advocates just so they get credit for, the right contacts. So we're going to click on the word ROI so that we can see each advocate's individual stats for the given time frame. And then we pull by clicking this share button, clicking send and export, and then exporting it to your computer as an Excel file. And there you have average handle time, channel contacts. You can even see how many CSAT responses they're getting in their CSAT. But this CSAT, of course, is just CSAT overall, but we want to look at their CSAT minus account sharing. So the next report, you're going to click on the ROI card, very top at the bottom, right next to SAT dashboards. Scroll down and then go to ROI CSAT minus account sharing deactivations. Open up that chart again. And you can see it's going by the last 8 days. And the last report we did was the last 7 days. So we would just want to match whatever we did. So if we're going to go and we're going to get, just to kind of explain how the last 7 days of data works in Domo, is it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of data, but you'll notice that it counts today as a day, but we never have the data for today until the day after. So we're looking at 7 days of data, but we're only really getting 6 days of data, which is why this report was defaulted to 8 days so that you could actually see 7 days of data, even though it's 8 days. So I would actually, I would suggest probably getting the 8 days of data and then going back into the advocate performance and getting the same 8 days of data, just generally when you're doing this. But when you're at this page, you see this as for the whole entire team, for all 4 channels. And, if you wanted, you can even see how 24/7 and Chegg is doing, but we won't do that right now. So here we're going to be getting chat CSAT. So we're going to click out of all channels, just click on chat. And then we're going to click on the most recent dot to drill in and get stats according to advocate level. So right now we're seeing stats according to training teams. So teams that were just all trained at the same time. And then now we see stats of the specific training team that I clicked in. Now I'm going to press the X button up here so that I'm not looking at just that training team, but I'm looking at every advocate on an individual time frame. And this right here is showing me their incoming chat for CSAT minus account sharing. So this is exactly what I want. I'm going to click that share button again, export it as an Excel file. So now I have chat CSAT, chat average handle time, and the amount of chats taken. The only thing I want next is my social and nano CSAT. Potentially how many contacts they're taking as well. So I'm going to do the same thing. What I basically did is I just kind of clicked back. I didn't click back using these arrows. I used the title up here at the top. And I went back to the account sharing deactivations page. I'm going to click out of chats and click into social media and do the same process. Oh, good. Social media is 85.3%. So that's pretty happy to see. I'm going to click on the most recent dot, click on the most recent class, exit out of that filter. So I can see everyone for the last 7 days who has social data. Export that. And then I'm going to go right back here to this. I'm going to get incoming ticket. Same process here. Now nano CSATs typically are lowest